have time to catch him. Hey? Don't be like Marquez's brother, attack him! Hey, haste makes waste, and we still have time! Yahoo, podium, hey? Okay, time to attack, I won't lose the podium! Yahoo! Wow! Here I am, ready to join the party! I don't have time to play, there's a podium waiting for me! Alex Neta! For some reason, they are scared of my talent! No! Maybe it's not the result I expected. But hey, I'm the best Yamaha this weekend. I don't think so, Jack. Oh, you can beat me. Remember, I'm God Miller. Hey, God, remember you're facing your worst enemy. El Diablo. Bing. Never-ending story. Even not to hell. But this God won't give up so easily. And how strange, another 10. It's probably because I will make a comeback now. Sure, it's because I'm God Miller, the god of comebacks. Come on, and the whole race is going to be about me getting overtaken. Time to try a new machine to stop Marc. Marc is too far, but I know I can catch him. Come on, buddy, you're not helping. Uh-oh, I think we have a problem. A few laps later. Looks like I made a miscalculation. Now I won't miss. I'm second, but Marquez is 4 seconds ahead of me. And there's even more lag when I shoot. I have to fix this. Hey, it looks like you don't have what it takes to overtake him. Hey, go ahead if you're so fast. As you wish. Yahoo! Wow! Okay, he's faster, but I don't want to crash this time. This time I will finish the race. Finally it fixed it, and I won't miss this time. Time to put it in auto mode. Hey? Wow! They are taking this too seriously. But I won't crash this time. Come on! This is going to happen in our race! Oh no, Amir has crashed, son of a mini! Too many crashes today. This is dangerous. Even for God Miller, God of survivors. Wow! I would rather be overtaken than crash with the way things are going. Besides, there aren't many riders left anyway. That's victory with a lot of aura! Yahoo! Yay! Woohoo! And it's lights out in MiniBikers! Let's see who was the best and who is the worst! Green light for Marquez, 9 victories in Germany, he's the Kaiser! Yellow light for the survivors of the race! They reached the finish line but weren't able to get close to Marc! And the red light and fell of the day goes to... Turn 1 of Sachsenring. You took out so many riders, but not the one who is leading the championship. That's all for today! And don't forget to leave a comment with your own lights out of the day! Hey, see you at the next Grand Prix! And this video wouldn't be possible without